And let's go ahead and just do a few more. So once again, it's in vertex form because we have an expression in parentheses that's squared. So the number you're adding or subtracting inside the parentheses always tells you how far left or right you're going to go. You always go the opposite direction. So this tells me I'm going to go left 1. And then the -3 tells me I'm going to go down 3. So left 1, down 3. There's my vertex. So that means my axis of symmetry is just right here. And then the -2, once again, I always go right 1, but then I'm going to move down 2. And that's where I put this coordinate. And then I reflect it over, and I draw my U shape. Okay, let's go ahead and do another one. So we've got, oh, that's not what I meant to underline, this +3. Since it's positive, that means we're actually going to go to the left. We're on left 3. Notice how there's nothing at the end, so that means it's just a +0. So I don't need to move it up or down at all. So I'm just going to go left 3 and put a point right here. And then I'm going to indicate my axis of symmetry. And then like always, I'm going to go right 1, and then up whatever the number in front is. In this case, it's a 1/2. And then I reflect that over and call it good. Okay, now these last two kind of are confusing because I said that vertex form always means that there are parentheses. Well, there are no parentheses, and that's because there's nothing added or subtracted with the x. So you could put this in parentheses. It just means that there's nothing, or we're not moving the vertex left or right at all. We're only moving it up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, right here. And then we're going to go right 1, and since there's a negative right here, we're going to go down 1. And then reflect that over and draw a U. Okay, our last one, we have, notice, so there are no parentheses again, so you can put parentheses around the x. There's nothing added at the end. There's nothing added inside the parentheses, which means my vertex is just at 0, 0. And then I'm going to go right 1 and up 3 because of the 3. So I draw my coordinate. I reflect it over the y-axis, because that's my axis of symmetry. And then I draw my U shape.